All right, so we are here today at Coco Beach Club, and we are going to be doing a full walking tour of what is in the beach club. I've already been inside, and I can tell you right now, this is the premium Coco Cay experience. So let's go inside. All right, walking in here, you do have your check-in area. It looks like there is a couple of seats that you can just sit and wait if there is multiple people checking in your party. And then this is, of course, the check-in desk. The wonderful Royal Caribbean crew there helping us out. They do have some towels for your face, I'm assuming, or for your neck, or if it's a hot day. But that's just really nice. So you're already getting your nice premium experience there as soon as you step inside. We are gonna go to our left. You can kind of see the bar area over there, but we're gonna come back to that. To our left here, we have got the walkway that goes to the left-hand side of the cabanas. Now, these are some of the first cabanas that are over water in the Bahamas. As we're walking here, you can just see the lush plantation. This is such a beautiful place. It really is a perfect day. We can see here to the right, it looks like this is the start of the cabanas. Now this would be a cabana that would be not over water, so this is just a cabana that is on land. Looks like that's Cabana 22, so if that's what you've reserved, now you know the location. We've got a couple more cabanas, but what I think is so cool is as we come around here, look at the view. And look at these overwater cabanas. These are gorgeous. Now, before we walk any further, we did walk past the Cabana restrooms, and it looks like you've got some bathrooms right here that are trailer style. So there's bathrooms. Those are the first bathrooms we've actually seen, so this is actually really good to know. It looks like this might be a smoking section here because there is a cigarette depository right there. Got a little umbrella in case it rains. We did have some rain today so far, but it's clearing up. It looks like it's gonna be a perfect day here. Now just look at the beach. That is gorgeous. This is truly paradise. And then of course, you have these overwater cabanas. Now these overwater cabanas, they look like they have water slides on some of them, but they are just super lush. All right, we're taking the boardwalk back here from the overwater cabanas, and we are gonna take a little walk in the sands. Now, we are actually the first people here in the beach club, and actually at Coco Cay in more than 15 months in terms of guests. We did learn that there is about 450 people that live on this island. They live in housing that Royal Caribbean has built for them. And they work and they live here. So this is their home. They're on contracts. The girl that we spoke with said that she is on a 6-month contract. And so she's been here since February. So her contract is actually almost done. Now remember the very first cabanas that we pointed out that are not over the ocean, those are right there. So those are actually pretty close to the ocean. They are ocean facing, and they're actually really close to the bar and the restaurant, which is just to the left. And I also want to point out up there, you can see in the distance, there's a bunch of white floating mats. Those look like those can be used for anyone, as well as life jackets. So if you need white floating mats or life jackets, those are going to be to your left upon entering the beach club. Let's take a look at some of the seating over here. So these are the seats. It looks like they're currently in sections of 4. This could be because of the new protocols for 2021 cruising. And then there's of course some sections of 2 over here. They all have umbrellas, which is really, really nice because we are currently in the rainy season. So if you didn't know, June is the rainiest month for the Bahamas. So if you're coming in June, you might actually be using some of these umbrellas. But these chairs are really nice. They have little side tables for your drinks and for your food, and for you to sit, kick back, and look at the ocean. All right, so we are taking a walk along the beach. The beautiful beaches of the Bahamas. The water doesn't look quite as blue as it normally does today because we do have some clouds in the sky. But on a sunny day, this place is paradise. So you can see you do have a lot of seating here. Now, I would think under normal circumstances, seating may or may not be difficult to get. Right now, given the different protocols and the restrictions on the amount of people that can be here, seating is not an issue. So if you're cruising in 2021 and coming to Coco Beach Club, you're probably not going to have much of an issue getting a chair. So you do have these overwater cabanas here. These are definitely much more of a walk than the ones when we first came in. And then you do have some beachfront facing cabanas right here. So I think on the left-hand side there was only 2. It looks like there is actually 8 on this side. Of course, you can see the big balloon that's in all of their pictures right behind. So actually this area of the island is the beach club, and then you would also get off at the same tram stop if you were getting onto that balloon. And then of course, what we've all been waiting for, the infinity pool, the restaurant, the bar, the reasons that we really come to Coco Beach Club. Because here's the thing, you can get a chair and you can sit out anywhere on the island. There's lots and lots of seating. There's even other pools, but there really is not any other pools like this. Take a look at this, you guys. This pool is gorgeous. Now I know when it very first opened, they only had a couple of sailings that ended up coming here. There was a lot of complaints about the water being cold. This water is so warm. It is so nice. We cannot wait to jump in. You can just sit there and look out over the ocean. Absolutely gorgeous. You don't have to pay for these nice seats. Now there are very, very limited amounts of these couches up here at the beach club. But if you're the first one here, you don't have to pay for that reservation, at least currently. You know, we're in ever-changing times and that could change. They have nice umbrellas under them, and they really are very, very premium. You do have a handicap accessible chair here, so that is great for the infinity pool. And then right here, you have the bar, everyone's favorite place to congregate. Coming around here on the other side of the bar, you do have a couple more of those couches. So again, if you're here early, take advantage of these. These are really, really nice. And then of course, you do have some awesome seating here. I mean, just look at how lush the scenery is. This place is, I mean, I keep saying it's beautiful. It's really beautiful. All right, now let's walk into the restaurant. So this, if you remember, is the entrance. We went left and we went right away to the Overwater Cabanas. If you go right, you will find the check-in counter here for the restaurant. And let me tell you, we have heard amazing things about the food. Hello. Of course, you can come and have lobster here for lunch. We're gonna be eating here in a little bit. But let's just step inside and take a look. And of course there is a ramp here as you are coming out of the restaurant. So again, handicap accessible, which is great. And then the last area up here on this, I would call this a section of boardwalk, is some more tables. So, you know, if you do want to grab a drink at the bar and come over here, you have some really, really nice seating, again with umbrellas. I think one of my favorite things about the beach club is there are umbrellas everywhere. Look at this, at the end of the tour, the sun is starting to come out.